Does WordPress have you confused? Try these ideas today. For over 10 years, WordPress has provided bloggers with an easy-to-use option for posting content and getting their ideas out to a larger readership. However, a lot of aspiring bloggers still don't know the benefits of WordPress. This video tutorial can help you understand WordPress better. Remember to clean up permalinks. Avoid cumbersome URLs like the 10 ways intelligent parents manage their children. Use just your keywords and improve your search engine rankings. It's easy to incorporate videos on your blog with WordPress. This will require you to spend more time prepping, but this is worth it. Visuals grab your reader's attention. Videos can convey things words cannot, so they are very useful. Make a schedule for your posts. You will feel motivated to post regularly if you have a good schedule. You may even choose to dedicate time to creating content and then letting WordPress publish it at predetermined times. Remove unnecessary content and delete comments that fail to add value. This keeps your site more user-friendly to visitors. One great plugin to help remove spam from your site is Akismet. You might find one day that you think you've made a lot of changes to your blog that haven't been saved. This most likely is not true. You can solve this by clearing the cache of your browser. Make sure to press the Shift key on your keyboard as you do it, and the issue should have been solved. Rank higher with the search engines by paying careful attention to the images that you upload. Use the title tags and alternate tags to include keywords. When visitors pin your images to sites like Pinterest, the title you gave is what will be represented on their screen. Avoid common words and phrases for your username. When you are showing as admin, your site has a higher chance of being targeted by bots. This is a huge security risk. Delete usernames that appear with administrator or admin on your user pages. Find creative usernames that you can remember. Security is essential for WordPress users, so make your password is kept confidential. Download reputable plugins to stay safe at all times. Otherwise, you are vulnerable to hackers and malware. Make sure that all your media is in order. It's tempting to upload pictures into the library directly, however, things can easily get disorganized. Create a folder structure when you begin and place images into the folders properly. This will make searching for a particular image much easier. You can connect separate posts by using a plugin that allows for internal linking. These related posts WordPress plugins create lists of a few links to each post by using tag relevance. If you want to post on off days, then schedule your blog posts a few days before in your WordPress admin area under posts. It is possible to have posts published at specified times, no matter where you happen to be. Visit the Edit screen and find the Publish box. Under the Publish box is a radio button that says Publish. Change that so that it will change it to the time and date you want to publish it. Press Update. Make sure the information on the Schedule for Display screen is correct and then hit Schedule. WordPress has a great reputation for providing the tools necessary to share good content and produce great blogs. Familiarizing yourself with WordPress allows you to enjoy the ultimate blogging experience with little trouble. These WordPress tips will help anyone who would like to use WordPress for blogging. If you would like to learn how to set up your own WordPress website, then click the link in the description below this video to get free instant access to our free WordPress tutorial videos for beginners.